Hello, is Jordan Brand? Yep. Yep. We got 'em. Yep, we got 'em. All right. Yeah, no, I'm not buying the Fear threes. No. Yeah, I know. A discount? No, I still no. I can't do it. All right. Okay. All right. Bye. What is going on, people? It's your boy, Money Mac, coming back to you again from the set. And today, man, you already know what we doing, bro. You already seen the thumbnail, so you know what's going on here. What we doing, man? We talking about this thing right here. We talking about the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMP and all this upper leather goodness. Bruh, I'm conflicted right now. Give me a moment. I don't need a moment. Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this out here right now. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna answer two questions in this video. One, is this shoe for you? Simple question, right? And number two, is this better than the Concords? Two simple questions, two simple answers. Or is it? Let's get at it, bro. All right, so got these things in today. Got them on the shock drop. Took them forever to get here. Neither here nor there. They here now. They on the set. We got them, right? So, who is this shoe for, man? Who is this shoe for? And we answer that question, simply put, if you like it, cop it. It's for you. Is it going to be available? Probably. Gauging on what the sneaker market is doing now, every sneaker here recently from Jordan Brand, unless it's some sort of crazy collab, they've been available. We don't say sit here. They've been available. So it's probably gonna be available, but not for long because this is a hood shoe that everybody loves 11s and they gonna go. Everybody gonna have them from Mama Duck all the way down to the baby ducklings. They gonna have them. Christmas, that's what you're gonna see. These right here. So, and the second question, is it better than these things right here? Man, the Concord things, right? Is it better than this shoe? It's one determining factor. This mesh upper that we have on the Concord versus the leather upper on this one. Easy question, easy answer. I prefer this shoe over the Concord only because of the all leather upper. That's it. I am gonna miss the icy sole versus the milky, but the all leather upper, bruh, is gonna make it so much easier to clean this shoe, and that's the only reason why I prefer this shoe over this shoe. I can give this one a rest now. I can put this one on ice. I can get them all cleaned up, get the icy bottoms back, or I may just let them like yellow out and keep them gangster, right? But I can retire this shoe and start rocking this one because this one's a lot more easier to clean. So that answers those two questions. Now, I do have a quandary. I don't because guess what? I finished the pack off. The DMP pack, I do have the unofficial Defining Moments pack now, and I didn't have to pay $600-700 for them. So that made me hella ecstatic. So yeah, now I have the Jordan 6 and the Jordan 11 Defining Moments. So that completed that set. So with that being said, this is a win, bro. One thing of note with this shoe, with that all leather upper that we've been talking about, right? This is what we're gonna get. The price you pay for having a shoe that's easy to wear and being very easily to be cleaned or maintained, if we're gonna get this, That's what we're gonna get. You hear that? Yeah. Yep. Just like on the 13s, man, the laces are gonna rub up against this leather, and this is what we're gonna get. So, is that gonna stop me from wearing them? No. You're just gonna be able to hear me coming, or do like a couple other people that I know is put a little powder in between the laces right there, just a little bit on the laces, so when they rub together, they don't make that noise. That's a tip from your boy, Money Matt, here on the set. It's my last shoe of the year. I ain't buying no more sneakers, not until 2024. And then, as I stated on one of my other videos, I am not, with an asterisk, going to buy any Jordan brand releases in 2024. I do say that with pause because there are a few that I am going to have to get. The reimagined fours, gotta get them. I don't care. Call me what you want to call me, because essentially this is a reimagined shoe. Like this, for all intents and purposes, is a reimagined sneaker. So I'm definitely going to have to get those, and there may be a couple other pair of shoes that I gotta get that's out there. But for 2024, bro, we venturing off somewhere else. We going this way. We going for Adidas. We going for Reeboks. We going for Asics. We going for sneakers like that. Maybe a pair of designer shoes here and there. But we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna stay away from the masses, the GR releases. I'm good on those. We're gonna focus on more obscure sneakers, as I stated before. But we'll get back to this thing right here, man. This shoe is super clean, bro. This shoe is going to be on a lot of people's sneaker of the year list just because of the design, the all leather upper, the little small details that they put on this shoe, like the gold and black carbon fiber plate. This shoe is gonna be something nasty, bro. But Jordan Brand made a ton of them. They did a shock drop. They did exclusive access, and then we got the release here in December. So, bruh, if you want them, they gonna be available. So, I look forward to rocking them, man. Putting a couple fits together, man, and yeah, I don't know, bro. I like them. Speaking of likes, hit that like button. Oh, and while you're at it, right next to it is that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that one too, and then hit that notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when we drop more content here on the set, because we talk about sneakers, electronics, and some toys. 2024, bro, we coming with it. So again, hit that subscribe button, bro, because we going this way. That's where we going. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gone. This ain't my last review for 2023, but this is my last pair of shoes that I purchased in 2023. But we do have those Minears. Which one we get? We got the Dawn coming in on sometime this week. So we got a review coming for those. And man, we gone, bro. That's it. We out of here for 2023. So hit that subscribe button. Rock with your boy, man. Gone. So good. Gotta love them 11s, bro.